Up time. Today's just a regular day, just a regular studio day. One exciting thing I'm gonna get to today, but I gotta get through some other things first. Build my way up. Gotta get all the little things out the way before I do the big thing. Gotta clean up the studio a bit, gotta clear out the table. Had to practice some guitar. Hey. Finger boo-boo injury, so I gotta do some finger exercises. Hurt my fingers. Injured my fingers, so I gotta work it out. Guitar injury. What? If you spend a majority of your earth life playing guitar, eventually you're gonna get a finger injury. Had to do some note taking, get my thoughts out. Self-reflection, creative self-reflection. Gotta get in my own head. Actually, gotta get it out of my own head. Spend too much time in my own head, gotta get the things out of my own head. Much better. Cleaning up a bunch of things. We can take a look. Redoing the blankets, redoing some of the box storage. Almost music making time. Trying to write something. Winter time, always doing music in the winter time. I'll also be doing some computer work, been doing dunk things. Been doing some animations, doing some roto work right here. Just be working on some animation stuff. Future projects that I'm building up to. Always dunk dreaming. Gotta always make sure your camera straps are not off the edge of the table or even near the edge of the table. You always want to push everything away from the edge. That's what you gotta do. Gotta keep it safe. I've seen cameras get down before. Not good. Now we're ready for some documenting. The dunk I traded 2 dunks for finally arrived. I traded 2 brand new dunks for 1 used dunk. I must be tripping. My first dunk exchange. It actually arrived a few days ago. Ripped the bag open. Realized that I actually wanted to vlog this moment. Arrived a few days ago after a few weeks of waiting for the tracking to update. X-Acto 24 blade. Gotta do some careful cuts. I don't want to damage the insides. I'm not a sneakerhead. I'm a dunk head. Silver box, early era, Nike Dunk Low Pro SB right here. SB stand for Sandy Bodecker skateboarding. NikeSkateboarding.com. This is from back in the day when they had the old Flash website. Black, white, nightshade, shark, noir. This is the made in China version. The new dunks made in Vietnam. In a big bag. Sole's still kind of soft. That's one thing you always got to check on an old dunk. You don't want it to be too crumbly. When they're hardened, then they start cracking. Then they just pop off and they start peeling. And then you get little puzzle pieces missing out the bottom. I traded 2 brand new dunks for 1 pair of previously owned and previously barely worn, but previously worn dunk right here. This is the Futura dunk with the bonking grain on the leather. Very premium materials for a sneaker. Classic sneaker actually. So it's got a cup sole, got a little stain on the stitching right here I can see. We got some sole separation. That's just the glue though. The stitching right here still looks very tight. We got the toe crease. This left shoe got the bonking toe crease. So we got that out the way. I don't gotta babysit these. We out here wearing a Futura dunk in the rain. Gotta really break them in. Already broken in feel. I think they did a pretty good job cleaning them though. I mean, I'm touching all up in the bottom because they feel like they're factory still. You can still see the star pattern up in here. This side also got separation with the glue. Now, I don't know if I'm mistaken, but there's no other dunk with this bottom. This outsole, I don't know if any other dunk come with this color. To me, this is always like gray, blue. We really matched it up with this very well. We got the bonking leather. We got very soft suede. Blue mesh right here up on the top, matching with the blue leather, matching with the toe box. And we got black mesh on the sides, reaching around the back to the notch. Came with the extra lace in a bag. Non-SB on the bag because these are the classic version. Non-SB on the tongue because these are the classic version. We can still see the full print on the insole. That's one of the first things to rub off when the shoe gets worn enough times. Print is still there. I mean, there's definitely wear on the insole. In reality, I've only seen this dunk out in the wild like a handful of times, and I've never held it in my hand before.
Futura. Got it.
This is some dunk dreaming right here. Dunk dreaming. There was an early ad for this era of the dunk back in the day. It was in all the major skateboard magazines. I call it the pile ad. Other people call it the pile ad. I don't know if many other people call it the pile ad, but I know it as the pile ad. I cut that ad out and it was on my binder cover for at least the whole school year. I think it was 8th grade. I actually animated the pile ad right here. That's the pile ad. And that's the Futura dunk right there. That's the one. Just be animating from stills. It's some graphic designer things. Just some graphic designer things. I actually got a number of silver box era dunks. Shout out to my brother. Thank you to my brother. Speaking of the Futura, here's something from the past. From the beginning, actually. From the past and from the beginning of all the dunk dreaming. In the pile ad, got the Reese Forbes denim dunk. That was also one of the ones that I've been dunk dreaming since the beginning, but that one gonna be like a multi-$1,000 purchase, and I'm not exactly about that. This is a customized dunk that me and my brother did back when I was in high school, and it is modeled after the color blocking of the dunk of all dunks, Futura dunk. But this dunk right here is panels of denim from beater pants, you know, like as they get ripped up. So you just recycle the materials. This is fabric glue all up in here. The stitching was done on a sewing machine. Thank you to my mommy, but that's not real stitching. That's all phony. This is just layers of material glued on top of an existing dunk. This is just dunk dreaming from back in the day. Repurposed the patch right up in there. Levi's right here. Embroidery again. Levi's red tag, booty tag. That's what we got right in here. Dunk dreaming, dunk dreaming. Started by painting the dunk. Started doing this type of things, and then now people would just be reconstructing dunks. Shoemaking is a thing now. Gotta see what happens. Overall, I'm still very proud of these. I mean, they look kind of bunk. They ain't really bonking all that hard, but it reminds me of a very creative time in my life. Alright, for sure. I'm about to clear out the table again. Then I'm gonna document the Futura dunk with my Canon M50. It's the more quality camera. That's all it is. We're gonna document it for future purposes, and then we also will make our way through the dunk collection. That way we have good memories of it, and then we can run them into the ground. The dunk's supposed to be worn, it's supposed to be skated, so I'm trying to get back into skateboarding. Then I'm gonna earn the dunk. Earn the dunk, gotta earn them. Document this Futura dunk, and then I'm about to pack up. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Embarklife.